Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. Like I said, bear with me guys, I'm still getting over this cold. It's actually gotten a little worse, but just took 2 pills, some ibuprofen, so hopefully I do get better. So I apologize for the robotic voice, but this is exciting news with US Mobile. This is one of the carriers that I use on one of my phones. Pretty cool. They just updated a couple things like their unlimited plan. They have 2 tiers, then also a free trial. So it's pretty cool. It says free trial, try our Warp 5G network for 10 days with limited talk, text, and premium data, guys. The future of 5G connectivity. So it says, get on the nation's most cutting-edge 5G network as low as $20 a line for limited talk, text, and data. We're faster than your Wi-Fi. So now, of course, that depends on the area where you're at. I personally haven't experienced those speeds. Only in big cities. I live in North Carolina, so in Raleigh, North Carolina, that's where it was. So it says unlimited plans. So these are the 3 new things here. Now with premium and basic options as low as $20 a line, free Warp 5G trial. So it says try us out. Get started with a free trial. So it's pretty cool. If you want to try out the network, guys, they give you free 10 days. It says nationwide coverage, cutting edge 5G speeds, and that's just scratching the surface. Now, there shouldn't be a period then. It should just be period and now. But whatever. Now experience it all with a free 10-day unlimited trial. All you need to get your free starter kit or activate instant with eSIM today. If you already have a kit, click below to activate. And this is where you would like fill out all your info here. Put all that good stuff. So I don't know. I always just use like dummy emails for this stuff. Just I don't know. It's just to try out. You know what I mean? Like kind of trial emails. A lot of people have that stuff. So now also check this out, guys. Unlimited all plans. So check this out. So there's the unlimited basic, which is $35 for 1 line, $30 for 2 lines, $25 for 3 lines, and $20 for 4 or more plans. Pretty cool, all unlimited data. Let's look at the premium. So of course the premium looks like it's $10 more. So 1 line is $45 per line, or 2 lines is $40. So for 2 lines it was $30, so that's $60. Now you get 2 lines for $40, that's $80. So it's $20 more expensive, guys. And then 3 lines is $35 a line, 4 lines is $30 a line. So now you also get perks, I believe, with the premium. Yep, premium you get perks. You don't get it on the unlimited basic anymore. You used to if you had an older plan like the one I currently have. So unlimited basic, unlimited premium. Like I said, now there's some good stuff with premium. Of course, you get perks. Like I said, basic does not give you that. Says you can choose perks that cover all your family subscription on us. Get 1 perk with 3 unlimited premium lines, and additional 1 with 4 unlimited premium lines. So if you have 3 lines, alright guys, so back, my son actually came in the room, so I had to pause the video, but let's get into it. Like I said, if you have 3 lines, you can get 1 free subscription. So it's either music, video, or gaming, which is pretty cool. I don't know many carriers that even do this. So gaming, if you have a PlayStation, you can do PlayStation Plus, Xbox Live Gold, Stadia Pro, Apple Arcade. For video, you can do Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, Netflix Standard, HBO Max. For music, you can do Slacker Plus, Pandora Plus, Audible, Spotify Family, and Apple Music. So now if you get a 4th one, you get 2 of these. So if you have 3 lines, you can pick between 1 of these and 1 of these. So you can only pick 1. So you have all these choices, you can only pick. So if you want gaming, you can just do PlayStation Plus. That's it. You can't get anything else. But if you have 4 lines, you get PlayStation Plus or HBO Max or Spotify and PlayStation. You know what I mean. So that's pretty cool. Now the differences here with unlimited premium versus basic is that's not so basic phone plan that gets you connected without all the extras. You still get fast 5G speeds with premium data, all for 1 low price. Enjoy more savings as you add more lines. Now with unlimited premium, we're harnessing the full power of 5G to deliver unbeatable speeds and coverage along with unmatched premium data allotment. So remember, premium data is what you want. That's just the network's congested, your speeds will still be fast. Throw in hotspot and international data and you're ready for anything. So pretty cool. There's also data bundle add-ons that you can get and stuff. So let me actually show you. You can also build your own plan, but for us, we're going to limited. Let me show you. This is what I got from the savings calculator. So this is on the basic. This is the premium. So one line is $35 a line. 2 lines is $30 for the basic. 3 lines is $25, and 4 lines is $20. But remember, with the basic, you still get multi-line discounts, but you will not get premium perks like the free music, gaming, or video. Now with premium, it is a little bit expensive perks. So you don't get perks until 3 and 4 lines. So one line is $45 a month. Now that's also including now regulatory fees. So that's almost $49, guys. It's almost like a $5 fee. So that's really $50. That's $45. That's $40, and then that's $35 with the regulatory fees. Now that's per line, I believe, as well. So they up some. Remember, US Mobile uses Verizon, and Verizon's fees did go up. So just know that. So it says 1 line, no perks yet, $45. 2 lines, no perks yet, $40 a month. And then 3 lines, you get 1 free subscription. That's $35 a line. And 4 lines, you get 2 free subscriptions. So pretty cool. Now, this is something I had to look into, guys. You might be saying, what do you mean premium data? What's the main differences? Check this out. It says, who doesn't want it all? Unlimited talk, text, and data on the nation's fastest network. No contract required. So unlimited talk and text to stay connected with families and friends. Wi-Fi calling and texting available for when you need it most. Save even more with multi-lines now with discounts for 4 lines. Then here you can see the perks. So the basic, you might be asking, what's the difference? It's $10 difference, but what's the difference between basic and premium? So on basic, it's Warp 5G C-band. You get 30 gigs of 5G premium data, which is good. No hotspot, no eSIM international data, and no multi-line subscription perks. Now for premium, which is $10 per line, guys. So that's an extra $40 if you have 4 lines. You get Warp 5G millimeter wave and C-band, which basically you're getting millimeter wave, and on basic you're not. 100 gigs of 5G premium data. Whoa. 50 gigs of hotspot data. Wow, 50 gigs, guys. 10 gigs of eSIM international data and multi-line subscriptions. So pretty cool, I must say, guys. I mean, I have an older plan with them since I started back where I didn't get any premium data, and I only got 20 gigs of hotspot. So doing something like this might be actually worth it. So it's pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I mean, is US Mobile the best prepaid carrier out there? Possibly, especially with all these new perks and changes. So pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Try on the Warfare. Signing off.